Batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior MPB para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior MPB para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito mo tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subo. Junior MPB para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPB para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Officials Kirchi, Bong Ramos, Number 1, Tom Mendoza, Number 2, Patrick Villarosa. Start of the first quarter.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome once again to SM South Mall, Las Piñas for the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2. This is game number 7 out of 9 in today's lineup. JB Ruiz here along with John Mahari, and we will now be covering to you the last 3 games that are all 17 and under. John, ano yung feeling na nandito na tayo sa last 3?
Medyo ano to, medyo konti na lang, no? Pero syempre excited tayo dahil itong last 3 games natin medyo ano na to, skilled na dahil 17 na eh. Talagang mga mama na tong mga to. So magandang panoorin to dahil makikita natin kung paano magbakbakan itong mga 17 under natin dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2, di ba?
And with that, no, let's talk about the two teams. These two teams have played earlier today, you know. Now it's gonna be the Kuyas who will step up into the plate. Let's first talk about the team that just played earlier, J Sports Daggers.
Itong J Sports Dagger, galing sila sa lost last game nila, no? So, yun din, sabi nung coach nila na kailangan nila makabawi at ready naman sila dito sa game na to ngayon. No? At ang mga key players nila dito, sila Steven Concordia, tsaka si Angelo Dimas, JB Sapico. Yun, ito yung mga key players nila dito at galing din silang Batangas. So, yun.
And everything is going well for them. Itong J Sports Daggers going ahead 4-2. Meanwhile, let's talk about the other team that just played also previously earlier today. Itong JL Mini Hoops. Anong masasabi natin sa kanila?
Itong JL Mini Hoops, galing naman sila sa panalo.
Okay.
Itong last game nila. At itatry nila na makuha ulit itong panalo na to at nag-ready sila. At ito yung mga key players nila na si Dwayne James Orin. At itong si Nudge Lauzon at John Patrick Mendoza. Ito yung mga kailangan nating abangan dito sa team na to na JL Mini Hoops. Yan.
Curious tuloy ako kung itong si Dwayne James Aurin na sinasabi mo, yung Aurin na nasa PBA, I think.
His brother.
Daw?
Yeah,
Confirmed?
kuya.
Oh.
Kuya niya si Kim Orin.
Okay.
So yun.
So medyo na-pressure in terms of expectations. Dahil yung younger brother naman yung maglalaro dito.
Tama.
Nonetheless, it is going to be 4-4. 7 minutes and 36 seconds remaining in this opening quarter. And a great shot here for J Sports Daggers. For those who aren't aware, no, J Sports Daggers are those wearing brown, in dark brown. And those JL Mini Hoops are those in blue and orange.
Ito medyo physical na yung laro dito.
Oo.
Talagang banggaan na talaga. Talagang may control na rin.
Correct.
May control na yung bawat opensa at depensa nitong magkabilang team na to.
Great pass here. Unable to get it done. Great save. JL Mini Hoops going to run. Great fake. Put back. Great presence of mind here for JL Mini Hoops.
Ang ganda nung fake na ginawa niya. Talagang
Oo.
tumalon yung kalaban at nakuha niya yung easy 2 na yun.
Siya si Nudge Lauzon, yung sinasabi mo, isa sa mga key players. No, John? So, he did answer the call and able to score para sa Mini Hoops.
Yes. At pinakita naman niya na isa nga siya dito sa mga dapat abangan dito sa team ng J Mini Hoops.
Meanwhile, 6 minutes remaining. Another fast break. Lauzon with a spin, able to evade 2 other Brown defenders.
control na nila yung mga galaw nila. Hindi na yun basta lang dumidepensa.
Correct. Outlet pass not going in their favor. However, their great recovery from JL Mini Hoops open for three. No good. Fast-paced action with the spin. Outlet drop down low for the two. Amazing play here. Get of J Sports Daggers.
Nice drop pass.
Oh,
Coming dito kay Bautista.
another possession will go J Sports Daggers' way. Fake. Able to set the play. Counter. Drop down low. One more. No good. The blue shirts now in control. Great ball movement here from the blue shirts. Able to drive inside.
Ito na. Medyo pinapakita na niya yung size advantage niya dahil sobrang laki. Isa siya sa pinakamalaki dito sa game na to.
Correct. And with that, no, we will get into a quick timeout. J Sports Daggers leading 12-10. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Score is 12-10 here in the opening quarter with 3 minutes remaining. Great recovery here. Back and forth action. That is a two-pointer. No good. One more. What a fake. Almost losing the basketball. Possession will stay with J Sports Dagger.
Medyo mabilis na yung ball movement nitong game na to.
Unfortunately, that leads to a turnover. And the bench of J Sports Daggers are cheering for defense. Let's see if they can convert, if they can get that stop here. Mayor. Great aggressive play, unable to score. J Sports Dagger, oh, unfortunate turnover, 2-on-1, fast break play, hang time. What a block. Daggers going inside, no good. Back and forth action, ang bilis ng pace.
Ganda ng depensahan
Oo.
ng magkabilang team na to. Walang nakakascore ng madali.
Almost losing the basketball. Wide open is Chris Jacob Oriente.
Ganda ng pass talaga. Libre sa ilalim.
Oo.
Kakampi niya at nakita niya yun.
And Mayor going to the commentary booth. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining in the opening quarter. J Sports Daggers able to drop it down low once again inside. This time, care of JV Sapico, one of the key players.
Ang ganda ng pasa na yun. Libre-libre sa gitna.
Oo.
Go hard drive nitong ni Sapico.
Great box out here. JL Mini Hoops finding another player inside. Extra careful. What a fake. Nothing on that attempt. Going closer. No good. 15 on the game clock. Daggers going all the way. And losing the basketball in that attempt. And that is an and one bucket. Care of Naj Lauzon.
Strong drive, no? Galing dito kay Lauzon.
Oo.
Binangga niya yung depensa doon sa ilalim at kumuha siya ng extra foul. Ito, at mabibigyan siya ng isang free throw.
Lauzon now doing what's best in getting that and one bucket. And with 1 second remaining, unable to do so. And to end the first quarter, it has been a tight one. That it is tied. J Sports Daggers and JL Mini Hoops are tied at 14 at the end of one. We will be right back. Second quarter action now here in this 17 and under division between J Sports Daggers and JL Mini Hoops. And they have continued where they left off, guns blazing. JL Mini Hoops getting that three to start the quarter. Double team. J Sports Daggers now going for a three of their own, no good. And because of that, leads to a travel.
Pansin ko lang na tong height nitong
And from tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chess Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chess Magic makes every meal a magic moment. Back to you, partner.
napansin ko lang dito sa team ng J Sports Dagger, no? Medyo haba nila.
Okay,
Meron silang tatlong at least siguro mga 5'9".
Kaso, despite their height discrepancy, ang bilis na yun ng action ni JL Mini Hoops. getting extra possessions with another turnover. Almost hitting our cameraman in the void niya.
Yun lang din ang nagiging problema nitong J-Sports Daggers, no? Yung mga turnover nila,
Yes.
yung mga unforced turnover nila na sayang.
At least yun yung napapansin namin dito sa first half, no? Given na baka di natin alam kung jitters or maybe the fact na ginigel pa, kaso it's not going well. Everything is going for JL Mini Hoops ways because of their aggressive play.
Yes. Mas aggressive itong JL
Oo.
Mini Hoops. Lalo pagdating sa kanilang full court press.
Yes,
Tsaka talagang nakakahanap sila ng mga libre.
correct. Oh, a clear swat there. Possession will stay with JL Mini Hoops. 16 to shoot, 7 and 42 remaining. And again, deflection after deflection. Everything is going right for J-Sports Daggers on the defensive end.
Good intention naman yung pasa. Libre
Oo.
talaga. Ayun lang. Naka-help side kasi itong JL Mini Hoops. So makikita talaga. Talagang
Unfortunately,
maabutan.
I think it's an offensive foul for Mini Hoops. So J-Sports Daggers na yun. Will have possession. Open man, mid-range J. Three-pointer, no good. Second chance opportunity by Sampico. No good as well. Back and forth action we're seeing. Fast pace, almost losing the basketball. Drop pass, Sampico. No good. And a deflection from J-Sports Daggers end. This time, that is a clear foul, but Bautista going against Mendoza. And unfortunately, Mendoza is gonna get the foul.
Challenge niya.
Oo.
Yung depensa nitong si Mendoza.
Oo.
Talagang tinalunan niya ng sinabayan niya sa ere at kaya nakakuha siya ng foul.
2 free throws now. Coming in for JM Bautista. And he has made the first of 2, cutting the deficit to 4. Unable to make the second. Lindo with the rebound. Cornejo passing it. Garcia. And unforced turnover there. Another traveling call. A turnover for JL Mini Hoops. Another possession for J-Sports Daggers to get back.
Good defensive stop yon galing
Oo.
dito sa JL Mini Hoops. Pino-force talaga nila na magkaroon ng error itong J-Sports Dagger.
Going all the way. Great effective play here. Kero Mayor. 21-15 for the boys in blue and orange. Open mid-range J. Nothing but net there for Caste. DJ Caste making it done. Ooh, what a fake. Able to evade, bring brown shirts in. Nothing but net there. And a 3-point bomb
Palitan sila ng 3 points.
for JL Mini Hoops. Open man on the side. 2 for 2. No good. Second chance opportunity. A third chance. Caste making it done on the offensive rebounds. Four minutes and 50 remaining in this second quarter. Look at this zone defense. Pinapakita ng J-Sports Daggers, able to get the basketball. Losing it. Mojica. Aurin. Mojica. Losing it. Tough shot there. Garcia able to get the rebound. Back and forth action. Once again, we're seeing both squads trying to control the pace of this game. Very loose and free so far. Mayor for three. Nothing but net. Extending the lead to 8.
Good shot yun.
Oo.
Libreng-libre. Talagang hindi siya nag-hesitate para i-take yung shot na yun.
Fourth shot. Great fake. Passing it down low. No foul there.
May ilang ka rin talagang drive
Oo.
dahil dalawa yung nandun sa ilalim na big man.
Unfortunately, it's gonna be a traveling call for JL Mini Hoops. Losing momentum. Couple of substitutions now.
Medyo nakakuha na ng momentum itong JL Mini Hoops.
Oo.
Nakukuha na nila kung paano sila mag-o-opensa.
Meanwhile, it's going to be J Sports Daggers now trying to play catch up. Currently down by 8. Open 3. No good. Second chance opportunity. No call. And possession will go back to JL Mini Hoops.
Good defense yun galing dito
Oo.
sa ating JL Mini Hoops.
Oh, great system play here. Horns action. Almost lost the basketball. Finding an open teammate with the cut. No good. Possession will go back to J Sports Daggers. So many opportunities ang pinapakita dito for J Sports Daggers to get back into this ball game. Lots of possessions going their way. Hindi lang pumapasok.
Ayun nga. Hindi pumapasok yung mga tira nila. Lalo yung mga drive nila na sayang.
Correct. Ledesma going to the air, getting the contact, and 2 free throws. This is going to be Mark Ledesma for 2. But first, we will get into a quick timeout for the JL Mini Hoops. So let's see if they can make some certain adjustments here. We will be right back. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Unfortunately for Mark Ledesma, he's unable to make 2 free throws. So it is still an 8-point lead for JL Mini Hoops. Possession will go back. For JL Mini Hoops. (27-19) with 1 minute and 33 seconds remaining in this first half. not going their way. Great fake. J Sports Daggers, no good. Second chance opportunity. No, none's going for J Sports Daggers.
Sayang yung mga second chance opportunity nila
Oo.
na sana nako-convert.
And it will go back to J Sports Daggers. Let's see if they can build momentum here and cut this deficit.
Ito, naka half court. Press naman itong JL Mini Hoops.
At dahil dun, dahil sa press na yan, nagkaroon ng turnover na naman ang J Sports Daggers. The traveling call and possession will go back to JL Mini Hoops. A three-pointer. Bang! Nothing but net there. That is what you need to extend your lead. Caramon Giovanni Cornejo.
Good shot yung tinira na yun sa 3 points.
Oo,
Presence of mind, walang lumapit na depensa.
correct.
Kaya pupukol mo talaga yung mga ganong tira.
Meanwhile, J Sports Daggers are doing their efforts on the free throw line, making the first of two. Unable to make the second. However, that was a great box out and a foul is called.
Ang laki neto ni Mendoza. Siya lang yung nakakuha ng
Actually,
rebound.
Yes.
Hindi umabot yung tatlong player nitong J Sports Daggers.
Nope.
Yun din talaga yung advantage pag meron kang mga center na
Correct.
malalaki.
Because of that,
Magkakaroon ka ng talagang second chance. Second chance points.
28 seconds remaining in the first half. Almost an attempt there. Cornejo behind the back and couldn't do so. Went a bit fancy there. Dapat sa mga ganyan, dapat makikilala mo na yung players eh. Yung teammates mo. Kung alam mo, nandyan lang siya.
Yes, yes.
Papasahin mo yan.
Yung alam mo talaga na dun siya pupunta.
Unfortunately, that is a traveling call. So, JL Mini Hoops will have one more chance to try to extend this lead. 12.8 seconds remaining. What play will they do? Cornejo made a three recently.
Naka-zone defense itong J Sports Daggers.
And unfortunately, a foul is called with 2.8 seconds remaining. That will give Rehan Lok Handwala an opportunity to extend the lead.
Itong J Sports Daggers, naka-zone sila. No? Talagang ini-invite nila na tumira
Oo.
sa 3-point line itong JL Mini Hoops. Ang problema, meron silang malalaki sa ilalim na nababagsakan itong bola.
2 points for JL Mini Hoops with 1 second remaining and they aren't aware of it. And that is the end of the first half. JL Mini Hoops are ahead by 12, 32-20 against the J Sports Daggers. We will be right back. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic condiments bring the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. You are looking at the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2, 17 under division. This is the 7th of 9 games here at SM South Mall, Las Piñas. JL Mini Hoops lead 32-20 against J Sports Daggers. And John, I guess I'd like to ask you immediately, what are the factors for them to take the lead here in this first half?
Dito sa JL Mini Hoops, no? Lamang na lamang sila dito sa field goal percentage. Dahil meron silang 56.5 against sa J Sports Daggers na 30%. Tsaka isa pang malaking factor dito yung rebounds na merong 20 itong JL Mini Hoops compared dito sa J Sports na 13. Tsaka yung rebounds. Yun.
Everything is going their favor, no? Talking about JL Mini Hoops. I think one important factor here that I can add, partner, is the turnover.
Turnover, yes.
20 turnovers for JL Mini Hoops, and despite having 20 turnovers, they are still taking advantage from their field goal percentages. So, despite having more turnovers, lamang pa rin sila.
Yes.
Yan yung nakakagulat.
Tsaka yung bench points nitong
Oo.
JLM, itong JL Mini Hoops. 17 bench points compared dito sa J Sports Daggers na 8 lang.
Correct. So, mas balance yung scoring power ng JL Mini Hoops.
Yes, it means na kahit sino ipasok dito sa JL Mini Hoops, kaya nila mag-contribute.
Correct. Definitely. It is a 10-point lead here in the second half. Almost an N1 bucket, but Caste is able to get the foul, bringing, I believe this is going to be Rehan Lokanwala for 2 free throws. He's been one of their, I would say, big man, doing everything for them, doing a steal, an assist, couple of rebounds, 4 rebounds, and 4 points so far for Lokwandwala. That's what you need to do if you are J Sports Daggers. You want to start off strong, being very aggressive, go to the free throw line, earn your stripes, and the best part is the clock's not moving.
Yes, kailangan nilang mas maging aggressive dito kung gusto nilang makahabol dito sa JL Mini Hoops, no? Kailangan ma-convert nila lahat ng mga free throws na to dahil isa to sa magiging advantage nila sa endgame.
Able to make 2 free throws, cutting the deficit to 10. J Sports Daggers now. Ooh. And once again, that is Rehan Lokwandala able to go inside the paint against 3 brown shirts and immediately got the contact.
Tsaka galing yun sa magandang press break.
Correct.
Galing yun sa press break. Galing sa pasa ng kampi niya.
Parang if you are the defender against Lokwandwala, you want to make sure that he won't even get a good pass na mapunta sa kanya.
Kasi pag nakapunta sa kanya, advantage din talaga dahil he knows how to use his body.
Correct.
Para makalapit sa paint.
Tama. But before we continue, no, there will be a timeout here and called for J Sports Daggers. We will be right back with 7:24 remaining in the third quarter. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Seven minutes and 20 remaining in this third quarter. It is a comfortable lead so far for the boys in blue and orange. Talking about JL Mini Hoops. If J Sports Daggers want to get a chance in back in this ball game, they have to start being very aggressive on the defensive end with that swat there.
Yun yung sinasabi natin na kailangan gawin nitong J Sports Daggers, yung aggressive pero nasa control.
I believe Angelo Dimas is one of their key players, one of their star players for J Sports Daggers, and he led the first half with 7 points. And he did that on the defensive end, so he is doing everything he can to bring back J Sports Daggers. Open for three, no good, 12 to shoot. That was a tough putback. And the foul was called.
Nawala itong si Lokhan Dwala sa loob.
Oo.
Pero pumalit naman itong si Dwayne James.
Actually.
Orin.
So another big man in their presence, making it difficult, and it is an 8-second violation. Great defense here shown by J Sports Daggers.
Yes, good defensive stop yon. Yun yung mga kailangan nila. At pagdating naman sa kanilang opensa, kailangan makagawa sila ng opensa na mako-convert nila
Correct.
into points.
Correct. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Here in game number 7. Great defensive stop here, but a better block, but both referees said that there was contact, so 2 free throws now. We'll go for J Sports Daggers. This is care of Steven Concordia.
Ganda,
Excuse me, sorry, that's Angelo Aban.
ganda ng atake niya kahit na nandun, alam niyang nasa likod niya. Itong si Lindo, hindi siya
Oo.
nagdalawang isip. No, yun yung mga isang bagay or mga way na pwede nilang gawin para makalapit dito sa JL Mini Hoops.
Definitely, no? And it is still anyone's ball game. 10 points is not a big lead for anyone.
Saglit lang yan.
JL Mini Hoops trying to break the press here. Able to go down low in the paint. Tough bucket, no good. Aban, able to outlet pass, risky. Bautista. Almost losing the basketball. Bautista, 14 to shoot, able to get a pick. That was a tough shot, good defense. Hard fast break, able to deny. Hang time, no good. Bautista. The floater, no good. Deep inside, in and out. That was a clean swipe. Back and forth action we go, and there's a foul.
Good attack yun. Talagang nandoon lang itong dalawang malaking big man ng JL Mini Hoops. Nakaangat lang yung mga kamay nila.
Correct.
Itong si Lindo at itong si Orin.
However, it is going to be penalty situation now for JL Mini Hoops. This is Naj Lauzon getting 2 free throws for his squad. And speaking of which, babalik na yun si Rehan Lokwandala for Aurin.
Another bigs na
Oo.
naman. Talagang big. Kaya tingin ko medyo nahihirapan itong J Sports Daggers na makakreate ng driving lane dahil
Yes.
naiilang sila dahil nandoon itong si Lokhandwala at saka itong si Lindo.
Bautista now.
Yan, nag-half court defense na
Oo.
itong JL Mini Hoops.
3-point bucket. Didn't go well. Possession will stay with J Sports Daggers.
Binibigyan itong JL Mini Hoops ng iba't ibang depensa.
Oo.
Itong J Sports Daggers. 2-1-2 binibigay nilang depensa.
Able to do so. Great defense. And possession will go to JL Mini Hoops.
Good defensive stop yun, no? Nag-2-1-2 sila para nandun sa gitna itong si Lokhandwala.
Correct.
Para sumikip yung itong driving lanes nitong J Sports Daggers. Para mapilitan sila na sa labas tumira.
Yes. Able to do so. Great 2 shots here. Care of Rehan Lokwandala. Bautista avoiding the double team. Open on the other side. 13 to shoot. Bautista open for 3. No good. And a steal. J Sports Dagger. No good. Unable to do so. Great block here. Care of Ezekiel Hassanon. And that is a 3-point bucket. Care of JM Bautista.
Much needed point nila yun.
Oo.
Para medyo makalapit dito sa JL Mini Hoops. At 8 points na lang ang kanilang hinahabol.
2 minutes and 30 remaining in the third quarter. Low scoring ball game, partner, I believe. Kaso, ang ganda ng depensa pinakita ng both squads so far.
Parehas talaga. Talagang nahuhulog lang ang mga tira nitong JL
Correct.
Mini Hoops. Pero parehas silang maganda yung depensa. Tsaka effort. Hindi
Yes.
sila nagkakalayo. Talagang makikita mo kahit sa pag-rebound.
Possession will go to JL Mini Hoops. Possession will stay with JL Mini Hoops. Let's see what adjustments they'll do. That was a tough shot. That was a quite forced shot there by Rehan Lokwandala.
Pa-dive dapat siya dun eh.
Oo.
So nabigay ng maaga.
1 minute and 12 remaining in the third. Bautista, can he go for another three? No. A floater this time. No good.
Masyadong masikip yung depensa doon ng JL Mini Hoops.
What a beautiful pass here by JL Mini Hoops, able to evade the two brown shirts. And that was James Audrey Cornejo with the two.
Hindi nila in-expect na si sprint yun agad, pababa.
Oo. A foul is called. (40-30) in favor of the blue shirts. And because of that foul, once again, partner, penalty.
Yun yung talagang disadvantage pag sobra ka sa pressure. Talagang sunod-sunod yung mga foul na makukuha mo.
Correct.
At eventually, magiging penalty at kada foul yun nga, makakuha ng free throw itong JL Mini Hoops.
And because of that, put back almost got it through. Great box out here for J Sports Daggers. All the way. That is once again care of Angelo Dimas.
Good sidestep yun. Nakakreate siya ng space.
Villar. Unable to do so. And a foul is called on Hasanon.
Kung makikita mo, no, parehas yung dalawang big man na nakakuha ng parehas na second chance rebound. Itong si Mendoza at itong si Lokhandwala. Sila yung parehas tumira ng second chance na
Correct.
rebound.
And it's now Rehan Lokhandwala unable to get the second in. 4 seconds to shoot. Are they aware of it? In and out. That won't work for J Sports Daggers. And at the end of 3, JL Mini Hoops lead by 10, 42-32 in this 17 under division. We will be right back.
Ano po? Pampabara ng pito. Pampabara ng...
From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal, whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game. Chess Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chess Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And we are now in the last quarter of game number 7.
So, titingnan natin kung ano yung adjustment nitong J Sports Daggers dito sa last quarter natin. Tingnan natin kung paano sila makakabawi.
And that's what you need if you're J Sports Daggers. BJ Caste getting it done to start it off, cutting the deficit to 8. Aurin getting it done down low.
Gandang drive nun. One dribble, side step. Nandun na agad siya sa ilalim ng ring. Ganun siya kahaba. Ang ganda ng depensa na
Oo.
pinapakita nitong JL Mini Hoops. Pinoforce nila na tumira sa labas
Correct.
itong J Sports Daggers.
Outlet pass, wide open, going down straight inside. Hang time. That is care of Jaden Milian.
Ganda ng mga moves nitong mga batang to. Yung tira nitong mga JL Mini Hoops, hindi pilit.
Oo,
Coming from their offense talaga.
correct.
Extra pass.
Speaking of which, fast break play. Care of Milian. Back-to-back buckets here. Care of Jaden Milian.
Yung mga points nila galing sa opensa talaga na play. Hindi yung one-on-one.
Oo. Huli. And the rejection is given. And on that note, possession will go back. Once again, Milian going inside. Outlet pass, out in. No good. Unable to convert
Good
to Mark
defense.
Ledesma.
Good defense by Aurin.
And an and one bucket, despite having 3 brown shirts at him, is Naj Lauzon.
Hindi siya nag-give up doon sa play na yun. Kahit na tatlo na yung humawak sa kanya, talagang binuhat niya. Makikita mo rin dito sa mga player ng JL Mini Hoops na gustong gusto nilang manalo.
Correct.
Ganon din naman itong J Sports Daggers at hindi lang nila makita talaga kung paano sila makaka-convert.
Yes.
Siguro magandang gawin dito ng J Sports Daggers yung magkaroon sila ng ball movement. Extra passes.
However, that's not going to be the case for JL Mini Hoops on this end. So let's see if J Sports Daggers will pass the ball more for easier buckets, given that they're currently down by 16.
Kasi itong mga player ng JL Mini Hoops nag-aabang lang talaga
Oo.
dun sa ilalim. Hinahayaan lang silang tumira sa labas.
That is great defense there for JL Mini Hoops, making it difficult for BJ Caste to shoot.
Talagang ini-invite nila na tumira sa
Oo.
labas itong J Sports Daggers. At pag magda-drive naman, kuklose nila yung mga driving lanes.
Yes. Very aggressive here for JL Mini Hoops again. With second chance opportunities. Almost a turnover. And we can see who wants it more. Almost a shot. And a block coming from John Patrick Mendoza. Aurin able to find mid-range J, no good. Drop pass. 10 to shoot. And with that, a platoon substitution now. Coming in. That is a 3-point bucket coming for J Sports Daggers. The lead has gone down. Oh, excuse me, that was care of JL Mini Hoops. And J Sports Daggers is getting a bucket from their end. 17-point lead. And that is an 8-second violation.
Ayan yung mga kailangan gawin ng J Sports Daggers, yung extra effort sa kanilang depensa. At ayun nga, babalik tayo doon sa kailangan ma-convert nila yung mga ball possession na meron sila para makalapit dito sa JL Mini Hoops.
Definitely. There's a foul, and that's not what you want if you are JL Mini Hoops. You're giving so many opportunities here for J Sports Daggers to come back.
Pero mapapansin mo, no, lahat ng tira talaga nitong J Sports Daggers galing sa labas.
Unable to make the first free throw. Great steal here, and another bucket here for J Sports Daggers. It is a 14-point lead.
At mahaba pa yung oras natin.
And a quick timeout here is given by JL Mini Hoops to stop the bleeding. They are ahead 53-39 with 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile.
Shot clock at 19 seconds.
No call on that last play. And it was saved by John Mahari.
Buti na lang, mabilis yung reflexes natin.
Buti na lang, okay pa yung snacks natin.
Dito maob.
Oo. But that is going to be 2 free throws now coming from Naj Lauzon. He can further extend this lead, and he makes it clutch free throws. Able to get 2 free throws itong si Naj Lauzon. Dimas Bautista. Under 4 minutes remaining. Can J Sports Daggers come out on top? Or will JL Mini Hoops maintain this lead? It is a mad scramble. 3 minutes and 47 remaining. No good. And another steal. Tough basket, getting it in. That was Steven Concordia.
Good shot
And
yun.
another possession added. A quick 2. Care of Angelo Dimas. It is now a 12-point lead. And another turnover.
Medyo dumidikit na sila at nakukuha na nila yung momentum
Correct.
na kanina pa nila inaantay.
Exactly. And right now, it is a 12-point lead with 2 free throws coming up for Concordia of J Sports Daggers.
Mahaba-haba pa yung oras,
Oo.
yung minuto na to. Talagang meron pa silang chance.
Unable to make the first. They need to make their free throws para may chance silang humabol. 55-43, 3 minutes and 12 remaining in this ball game. Concordia makes the second. Almost a turnover, 3-point bucket. No good. 2 blue shirts trying to get the basketball. And a traveling call is given to Rehan Lokwandala.
Dalawang bigs yung nag-agawan doon. Hindi sila nagkaamuyan doon sa
Yes.
rebound na yun.
Let's see if J Sports Daggers can further cut the deficit. Oh, but a cutsy steal and an offensive foul by Raj Lauzon. Great defense here by Angelo Dimas.
Talagang hinarang niya yung buong katawan niya doon sa
Oo.
dadaanan. Para makakommit ng turnover.
I remember talagang magaling tong si Angelo Dimas eh. He's been doing everything right para sa J Sports Daggers. Pero can he do it alone? 3-point, no good there. Aurin with the rebound. 3-on-1, fast break. Able to evade the brown shirts and very disappointed. Itong si Roderick Orienza. Let's see if they can bounce back here. 13-point lead.
Good defense.
Bautista with the fake. Dimas. Dimas unable. That is going to be another possession. That is going to be a foul called with less than 2 minutes remaining in this ball game. It is a 13-point lead.
Kaya pang makahabol yan. Basta i-convert lang nila. Itong
Probably
mga
so.
free throws na to. Dahil makakatulong to sa kanila.
JM Bautista unable to make the first. Making the second now. Last 2 minutes of the ball game. Bautista going all the way. It is a 10-point lead. And we will get into a ceasefire. A timeout is called for JL Mini Hoops. They are up 57-47 with 1 minute and 52 remaining in this ball game. We will be right back. This time I was brought to you by Domo Domo. So learn, enjoy, smile. minute and 50 remaining and a turnover after a timeout. And that is not what you want. J Sports Daggers getting every opportunity needed. Almost a turnover. Bautista. And a foul is called. And that's going to be 5 fouls for John Patrick Mendoza. Coming into the ballgame is now going to be Dwayne James Aurin. Ten-point lead, 1 minute and 37 remaining. Bautista missing the first free throw. John, ito tayo. Free throw game.
Sayang. Yun yung sinasabi natin kanina na magagamit nila yan.
Oo.
Pagdating ng mga endgame, kagaya nito.
Able to make the second, so 50%. Sayang yung 2 free throws kanina na na-miss ni Bautista.
Yes, kasi malaking bagay yan kung na-shoot niya dahil didikit sila dito sa...
Oh, what a fake! Aurin able to make them pay. Great presence of mind.
Ang bilis nung ginawa niya na yun.
Oo.
Na-bait niya talaga yung depensa.
Ay, pinilit ni Bautista sa tira niya. Bautista. Able to drop it to his teammate. And that is going to be JB Sapico. Cutting the deficit now to 9.
Medyo talagang pinu-full court pressure, full court double na nitong J Sports Daggers, itong JL Mini Hoops.
1 minute and 3 seconds remaining.
Malapit lang yan, 9 points.
Oo.
Three possession.
And another turnover. That's not what you want. And right now, it's going to be another timeout. And let's see what J Sports Daggers will do in this next possession. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
1 minute and 3 seconds remaining. JL Mini Hoops are up by 9. J Sports Daggers with the possession and lost the basketball. All the way. Cornejo getting it done on that end.
Good layup. Nilagay niya sa kaliwa para hindi maabot.
And that's not what you want
Depensa.
after the timeout. Everything going JL Mini Hoops way is going all the way, no good. And one bucket. Care of Angelo Aban with 26.6 seconds remaining. It is a 9-point lead. Is it too little, too late?
Medyo nahuli dun sa depensa si Lokandwala kaya naka-rebound.
Oo.
Itong si Aban at nakakuha ng extra foul.
Unable to convert, and with 24 seconds remaining, it could be too little, too late. It is going to be J Sports Daggers basketball. Timeout is going to be given to J Sports Daggers with 19.6 seconds remaining. This may be the last time out for for J Sports Daggers. This time out is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile.
Seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
17 seconds remaining. And a turnover. Unfortunately here, JL Mini Hoops will hold on with 9 seconds remaining. Not yet in penalty. JL Mini Hoops will look to hold on. And there will be one more time out. This will be care of JL Mini Hoops. They want to make sure that they don't lose the basketball or possession. We'll be right back. This time out is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Six seconds remaining, and they choose not to foul. This is how the ball game will end in this 17 under division. Great matchup on hand. JL Mini Hoops wins 61 against J Sports Daggers 52. This is game number 7. In conclusion, we still have 2 more games of 17 under action waiting in the wings. As you can see here, JL Mini Hoops defeats J Sports Daggers 61 to 52.
A good game yung pinakita nitong dalawang team na to, no? Itong J Sports Dagger at itong JL Mini Hoops. Maganda yung pinakita nila dito sa game na to at nanalo dito itong JL Mini Hoops. Punta muna tayo dito sa J Sports Daggers, no? Napakaganda rin ng kanilang ginawa pero late game. Sa huli na sila nakahabol pero kudos pa rin sa kanilang mga sa kanilang team at sa kanilang mga teammates dahil napakaganda ng aggressiveness na pinakita nila itong huli. Yun nga lang, hindi umabot at ito pa rin, nanaig pa rin itong JL Mini Hoops na isang naging advantage nila dito yung height advantage nila dahil grabe yung size advantage nila lalo sa mga big man, no? Dahil nagkakaroon sila ng mga extra points, extra rebounds na convert nila ito into points at yung ball movement na nila at yung kanilang defense, yung defense nila sa paint, they're not allowing the opposing team to drive. At nandito tayo kay JP para sa ating best player of the game.
We're here right now with our Chef's Magic player of the game, Rehan Lokhandwala with 11 points, 10 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 blocks, and 2 steals. Rehan, double-double performance for today's win. Ano yung advice na binigay sa'yo ni Coach para makuha yung win na to today?
Sabi po sa amin ni Coach Jan, magtiwala lang po kami sa set isa at magtiwala lang po.
And now that since you are honored to be the Chess Magic Player of the Game, now it's your opportunity to give a shout-out.
Shoutout po sa parents ko at sa teammates ko po at kay Coach Jan.
Okay, and with that, we will be back with more of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2 right after this.
Liga ng bayan na mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBA para sa'yo.